Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Okay, now currently I am at this place that is this wonderful place, but this is a place that we have to ponder upon what the wrongs we have done. Okay, but I'm gonna call one person to explain this place. Okay, about the history of this place because he is more knowledgeable. So with this, you hold on. Actually, I have taken some of the white things here. This one, it's actually salt, so it's really salty. Okay, I tried. Yeah. Yep. So Alhamdulillah. The most important thing is if you all follow me on my previous podcast that I was in, he was already in the podcast. But yes, for now, let me reintroduce him. His name is Ustaz Iqbal.
Yo, Assalamualaikum. Apa khabar?
Okay, Ustaz,
Yes.
can you share with us what's the history of this place?
Okay, a brief history about this place. Nampak cantik kan kat belakang, laut biru dan sebagainya. Tapi actually tempat inilah yang dikatakan tempat yang kaum Nabi Lut diterbalikkan di atas maksiat yang mereka laksanakan.
But if you're here, kalau you ada kat sini, what are we supposed to do when we are here at this place?
So benda ni ada orang kata ada perbezaan pendapat ulama tentangnya. Of course yang pertama adalah kalau tempat-tempat yang diturunkan balak ataupun bencana, maka terbaik sekali adalah untuk kita cepat-cepat jalan lalu tempat tersebut. Tapi of course there's a dispute about it. So ada juga ulama yang mengatakan bahawasanya memang betul tempatnya adalah kawasan ini. Tapi is it the specific location that we are at ataupun tidak? Sebab di sini panjang besar antara Jordan dengan Israel. So ada Dead Sea. So manakah exact locationnya? Tak ada dalil-dalil yang menunjukkan this is the exact location. It's Dead Sea. We acknowledge that it's Dead Sea. Tapi dia bukan exact location. Sebab itu masih lagi ada dispute among scholars lah. Dan disebabkan itu juga scholars memperbolehkan kita juga untuk memakai barang-barang yang mendatangkan manfaat daripada Dead Sea juga, such as the mud lah, the salt lah, and so on.
Well, Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Ustaz, for the knowledge. InsyaAllah.
Yes. Sorry, sejuk ah.
Alright. Okay, insyaAllah, if you guys want to see more content of the Palestine or whatever I'm at right now, insyaAllah, do follow me, comment, share, repost. InsyaAllah, I see you guys soon. Assalamualaikum.